Lahat ng may tattoo, kulong. Lahat ng lumalaban, patayin. Matiba ka! Matiba ka! Pinoy galing Amerika. Hala ako. Pinoy. Bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Nangangako ako na bibigyan ko katahimikan ang Pilipinas. Itutuloy ko ang laban ng aking kasama.
Not pera mo? Not pera mo? Nasaan pera mo? Hindi, babalik ko rin.
Ang aming gagawin ay hanggang sa ating kasaysayan upang makamdak ang kalayaan ng ating pagkabot sa kamay ng batas ni Lord. Ginagawang magandang nasinadula ito ng ang March. On this day, September 21, 1972, ay Ferdinand E. Marcos, President of the Philippines. By virtue of the powers vested upon
Ang joke lang siya.
7, Section 10, Paragraph 2 of the Constitution. Do hereby place the entire Philippines as defined in Article 1, Section 1 of the Constitution under and I do my capacity as the Commander-in-Chief do hereby command the armed forces of the Philippines to maintain law and order throughout the Philippines, prevent or suppress all forms of lawless violence as well as of insurrections or rebellions is to enforce obedience to all laws and decrees. Order and regulations from the website is personally acquired by the Lord. Anong ibig sabihin nito? You are under arrest, Mr. Senator, due to rebellion and sedition against the Philippine government. Hoy! Isang ako ang constituent martial law. Inuhuli na nila ako. Huwag